Hey everybody, welcome back to the Renewed Homestead, and it's more progress on the house. Take a look at this. Ow! All right, so as you just saw, the chimney is coming down, and this is really cool here. They were just showing me. As you can see, we've got it down below the rafter level, and he has patched the roof. I am on my way to the store because we don't have quite enough shingles, so, you know, it's always something going on. But look at this pile of rubble. All right, yeah, you're thinking just bricks? No, not exactly just bricks. These are the old rocks. This chimney was built around the original Homestead rock stacked fireplace. I know you really can't see it up here very well. There's a couple over there, but I mean, yeah, it's a big mess. And once this is out of here, we're actually going to gain some square footage in the living room kitchen area, which is always nice. But yeah, as you'll see coming up in an upcoming video, we got all that shiplap down, and down here, the only thing left, that's the floor from the second story. We'll get the rest of that down here shortly. But anyway, I wanted to bring you in real quick while the guys are dumping off some of the bricks down in a drain field, which that's another story for another time. But anyway, I just thought that was kind of cool. The original rock stacked fireplace from the 1860s, encased in brick. So anyway, we'll keep you posted, and we'll do a quick update once that's out of here and got some more progress to report. But thanks for tuning in. We appreciate you. Thumbs up. Be good to each other. God bless, and we'll see you on the next video.